Hey, Emma. Good morning. How's your morning going today?
Hey, Alex. It's going pretty good. I just made some coffee. Mornings are better with coffee.
Oh, yes. Coffee is my best friend in the morning. I feel sleepy without it.
Same here. So, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling good. Calm. I was thinking about something this morning.
Oh, really? What were you thinking about?
I was thinking about English. How people can upgrade their English skills starting today.
Oh, wow. That's a great topic. I was actually thinking about English too.
Really?
Yeah, I was thinking about how many people want to speak English, but they feel scared.
Yes, that fear is very real.
Mm-hmm. They think English is hard. They think my grammar is bad or my pronunciation is bad.
Exactly. But you know what?
What?
Everyone starts somewhere. No one speaks perfect English on day one.
That's so true. It smiles warmly. Even native speakers make mistakes.
Oh, yes. I make mistakes every day.
Me too. Sometimes I forget simple words.
Same. So today, let's talk like real friends and help people upgrade their English skills.
I love that idea. Let's keep it simple. No pressure, no stress.
Talking about the fear of speaking English. Emma, can I ask you something?
Sure, go ahead.
When you were younger, did you ever feel shy speaking in front of people?
Oh, yes, very shy. I was scared to speak in class.
Really?
Yes, my hands would shake, my voice would get quiet.
Wow, I didn't know that.
Yeah, and you know what helped me?
What helped?
Practice. Small practice. Every day.
That's such an important point.
I didn't try to be perfect, I just tried to speak.
That's the key. Speaking, not perfection.
So, Alex, let's help our listeners. How can they upgrade their English today?
Hmm. I think the first step is listening.
Listening?
Yes, listening to real English.
Like conversations?
Exactly. Simple conversations. Slow conversations.
Just like this one.
Yes, just like this. When you listen every day, your brain learns.
Even if you don't understand everything?
Yes, that's okay. You don't need to understand 100%.
That's a relief.
Just listen. Feel the language.
Alex, can I share a small habit?
Of course.
I talk to myself in English sometimes.
Oh, I do that too.
Really?
Yes. When I'm cooking, I say, I am cutting vegetables.
That's great. I do the same. I say, I'm making tea. I'm washing dishes.
That's such an easy way to practice.
And no one is judging you.
Exactly. No fear. No pressure.
Many people are scared of mistakes.
Yes. But mistakes are friends.
Friends?
Yes. Mistakes help you learn.
That's true. Every mistake teaches something.
When I was learning Spanish, I made so many mistakes.
Oh, really?
Yes. People laughed sometimes, but they were kind.
And you learned.
I did. Slowly, but I learned.
That's such a good message.
Simple vocabulary is powerful. Emma, do you think people need big words?
Honestly, no.
Same here.
Simple English is powerful. Very powerful.
You can say a lot with simple words.
For example, instead of big words, just say, I'm happy, I'm tired, I'm excited.
Yes, simple and clear.
Native speakers love simple English.
We really do.
So, what's another tip?
Hmm. Speaking every day, even for 5 minutes.
5 minutes is enough?
Yes, 5 minutes every day is better than 1 hour once a week.
That's so true.
Consistency matters.
Small steps every day.
English is a journey. Emma, do you think English learning ever ends?
Hmm, I don't think so.
Me neither.
We are always learning new words, new expressions.
That's what makes it fun.
Yes, English is not a race.
It's a journey.
Encouragement for listeners. If you're listening right now, I want to say something to you.
Me too.
You are doing great just by listening,
Yes, you are already upgrading your English.
even if it feels slow.
Slow is okay.
Slow is natural.
So, Emma, what's the main takeaway today?
I think it's this. Start today. Start small.
Don't wait for perfect English.
Use simple words.
Speak a little every day.
And enjoy the process.
English is not something to fear.
It's something to explore.
I love that.
Me too. Thanks for this nice conversation, Alex.
Thank you, Emma. It felt like a real chat. And to everyone listening,
Keep going.
keep practicing.
And remember,
You can upgrade your English skills starting today.